Mastering the magic of who in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's exciting lesson. We're diving into the world of question words, and our spotlight today is on the word who. By the end of this video, you'll master how and when to use who correctly in your everyday English conversations. To start, let's define what who is. It's a question word we use to ask about people. In other words, who is our go-to word when we want to find out the identity of a person involved in a situation. For example, who is your teacher? Or, who ate the last cookie? Did you know that who can be used in both subject and object questions? Let's unpack this. In a subject question, who is the one doing the action? For example, who made the cake? The answer might be, John made the cake. Here, John is the subject who is doing the action, making the cake. In an object question, who is the one receiving the action? For instance, who did you call? The answer could be, I called Sarah. In this case, Sarah is the object receiving the action, being called. One common confusion in English is the difference between who and whom. Remember this. We use who when we are referring to the subject of a sentence, and whom when we're talking about the object. For example, who ate the apple? Subject, versus whom did you give the apple to? Object. Who is not just for direct questions. It can also be used in indirect or embedded questions. For example, can you tell me who left the door open? In this case, who left the door open is an indirect question embedded within the request, can you tell me? So there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of who. Remember, it's all about identifying people in your sentences. Keep practicing and soon, using who will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining today's session. Keep exploring, and remember, learning English is a journey that we're on together. See you in our next video.